Okay. So, it is like but in that diverse and complex situation, obviously they have their own country specific laws are there and European Union related laws are there. Okay. So, and till date everything is going in harmony, and the thanks that we are like, it is very easy for us IP filing wise, I will say that it is very easy for us to file the patents, that patent filing, that trademark filing, and especially that eSpaceNet, whatever always I always recommend eSpaceNet, which is like a very good like database of a European Union only, right. That is giving us a comprehensive like 130 million plus patent documents are hosted in that, and we are like easily and free of cost accessing that thing, right. So, thanks to European Union for that particular like database actually, right. Then TMView is another important database which is of very important. So, lot of contribution is there of a European Union considering the intellectual property.